I love experimenting with different flavors when it comes to popcorns because I'm a huge lover of popcorns, and also my kids love snacking on popcorn. So today I'll be showing you how to cook salted popcorns and caramel popcorns, which are going to turn out crunchy, sweet, delicious, and buttery. Serve the popcorns as a snack while watching a movie or even during birthdays because they're so good. We're going to start off by making our salted caramel popcorn, which are going to be very delicious, and you're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Place a pot over medium flame. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and half a cup of popcorn. Stir in the popcorns and make sure they're in a single layer. Then you're going to wait for the first popcorn to pop. At this point, you need a lid to cover your pot because the popcorns are going to be popping all over. So I'm going to cover and reduce the flames to medium. Then I'm going to wait for the popcorns to pop. When all the popcorns are fully popped, you're going to transfer your popcorns to a bowl. Using a kitchen towel, you're going to wipe down your pot. Then in the same pot, you're going to be adding in some butter over medium flame. And I'm using 3 tablespoons of butter. Wait for the butter to melt. Add in sugar and salt and wait for around 1 minute until the sugar is fully melted. Stir continuously as the sugar is melting, and once you notice bubbling just like this, you're going to put out the flames and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir in together with the caramel. The baking soda is going to react with the caramel, and you're going to have a very nice soft texture when you bite into the caramel popcorn. So now I'm going to add in your popcorn. Then using a spatula, you're going to coat the popcorns with the delicious caramel. As you're mixing the popcorns with the caramel, be very careful because it's super hot. So just use a spatula and mix until the caramel is fully combined with the popcorns. Just look how gorgeous the popcorns are looking. Once done mixing, you're going to transfer to a baking tray where the caramel popcorns are going to cool down so that it can be easier for you to break the popcorns apart. Lastly, I'm going to be showing you how to make salted popcorns at the comfort of your home. You're going to need 3 ingredients. That is cooking oil, your popcorn, and salt. In a pot over medium flame, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and the oil is going to help the popcorns to pop. Then you're going to add in your popcorn in your pot. Add in some salt. Using a spatula, you're going to stir in the salt together with the popcorns until fully combined. And once the popcorns start to pop, you're going to cover and let the popcorns pop. When the popcorns are fully popped, you're going to transfer to your bowl. Salted popcorns, caramel popcorns, so basic but very delicious. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try because it has taken me around 5 minutes to make each recipe.